Punctuation. Proper punctuation comes with a knowledge of good grammar and usage. It's absolutely necessary to understand how sentences and questions are formed. Otherwise, you might not know where to place a comma, a period, or a question mark. Let's try an exercise to see how well you understand where punctuation goes. The level of difficulty will increase as you work through the exercise. Directions. Write the sentences or questions in your notebook with the proper form of punctuation. 1. He goes to school. 2. Before we leave I need to find my key. 3. We went to the store to get some bananas, some apples and a few lemons. 4. Jim is in love with Graciela, however he's not sure if she loves him. 5. Following the results of the tests, the teacher decided that the class was ready for something more difficult. 6. Whatever you do, don't forget to take notes during this class. If the next lesson, you will learn about the steps that a student should take when writing an essay. 7. Our teacher Mr. Bender also works as a lawyer. 8. Although he's very careful when riding a motorcycle, he still takes many risks by not wearing a helmet. 9. Are you able to hear everything the teacher is saying? 10. Astronomy has been an interest of human beings for centuries. Consequently, our curiosity has led to a better understanding of our place in the solar system. 11. Marta went up to the man and asked, "Do you know what time the parade begins?" 12. The day began as any other midsummer day. It was hot, and we needed to find some relief from the heat, so John borrowed a car from his friend Bill and we all headed to the beach. 13. Have you ever noticed how often politicians promise something before an election and then when the election is over they forget about what they promised? 14. That's awesome. 15. All toilet flush tanks work about the same. When the toilet is flushed, the trip handle lifts the tank bowl, opening the outlet and letting water flow into the bowl. When the tank is nearly empty, the bowl falls back in place over the outlet. The float falls with the water level, opening the water supply inlet valve just as the outlet is being closed, and the tank is refilled through the filler tube. Water also flows through the bowl refill tube into the overflow pipe to replenish trap sealing water. As the water level in the tank nears the top of the overflow pipe, the float closes the inlet valve, completing the cycle.